Hi everybody, and welcome back to the Fairytale family, where our goal is to put a little bit of magic into your everyday. Today you can tell by my background that I am not in my normal space where I do most of my videos, which is upstairs in our office room. I'm actually in our closet. What you can't see behind you is my makeup station, my vanity, where I get ready every day. And the reason why we're here is because I thought I could take you with me in my journey of packing. So you will have seen when this gets released, the planning to pack video, my 5 tips on how to really organize yourself to get ready for packing. And today we are just days away from our trip, and I wanted to, in real time, bring you with me as I packed my things for Walt Disney World. So we are going in November for Mickey's Very Merry Christmas party. So the things you'll be seeing are not the same types of clothing that I would be packing for a spring, summer, even early fall into winter trip. So you're going to see some sweaters, some midi skirts, like the length is a little bit longer. I'm not bringing any shorts with me, and I'm probably not bringing any flip-flops with me either. But I will link below our Disney outfit guide, which is awesome to be used any time of year, but specifically for non-ticketed events. Like Mickey's Very Merry Christmas Party is a ticketed specialized event, so my clothing will be matching or along the lines of matching. So I'm going to be bringing you with me. You're going to be seeing in a time-lapse mode, like what I'm laying out, and then I will also stop to do like intermittent clips as well. So I hope you enjoy this. Check out our outfit guide. We also have a packing guide that I am actually using to follow to make sure that I'm bringing everything I need to bring. So both of those are free. They'll be linked below, and I hope this is helpful for you. So this is our Fairytale family packing guide. It's 2 pages. It also includes like toddlers and kids, but I'm obviously just using the adult and personal item column. And you can see here that it's attached to other documents because it's all part of our multi-page Walt Disney World guide with kids. So this is supposed to make, as a mama, your life a little bit easier. We do sell this. It is $7, and I will link it below if you're interested. So I've taken my ears off, also injured my thumb. So Ariel Band-Aid goes with the vibes here. So what I'm going to be doing is showing you how I pull all of the clothes kind of like ahead of time, build outfits, and I'm following my own tips. So I have my packing guide up. I'm starting with shoes. I have 2 pair of shoes that I know are coming. One are my sparkly pink Kate Spade Keds, and the other is coming in the mail this week. They are these little white sneakers with kind of a silver backing from Just Fab that I bought last week. So I know I'm going to be wearing sneakers for the majority of the days in the parks. I am also starting with my luggage. I'll grab it. So this is my away luggage that I'm sure you'll be seeing more of in this video. It has 2 compartments. It's carry-on only. It does a really good job protecting everything. It comes with a built-in charger. Just trying to see if it's in there and if I need to charge it. So I'm starting with my luggage. I'm starting with my shoes. I know the weather. I know what I'm going for. So I have all these outfits to show you. Let's get started. So the first thing I want to show you is my luggage. So this is from a brand called Away. Mark has a matching navy blue one. I have mine in pink. He bought these for us one year, and they are really doing a strong job, like holding up year after year. You can see like clearly this has been used, but it does such a good job protecting your things. It has a code with a key, so that way your luggage doesn't get destroyed if TSA needs to go through it. And one of the best parts of this luggage is that this part flips up, and this, here we go. This is a portable charger. So This comes out and you can charge it. That is its power button. I clearly have a full charge, and it can do all of these different kinds of ports to allow you to stay charged while you're on the go. So this kind of like pops in, pops out, and then stays safe right inside. So we love this luggage, and we know that it's not incredibly pricey. Sorry about the bang, but it is also not inexpensive. It's worth it. So this side zips up for all of your clothing needs, and then this side, I guess it doesn't really matter, but this side you can make tighter so it'll sit flatter. We'll see based on my luggage needs for this trip what goes where, but I just wanted to introduce that to you first so you know the size. It's a carry-on of what I am packing in. So before I lay everything out on the floor, which is how I prefer to pack, I wanted to show you some of the pieces that I've had hanging and ready in my wardrobe to come with me. Not everything is in yet, so you'll have to follow along with us on Instagram to see my outfit of the day, if you will. We are going for 3 nights, 3 days, because we arrive late Thursday evening and we stay Friday, Saturday, Sunday and come home Sunday. So it is a super fast trip. You can see clearly I'm not going to need anything bigger than a carry-on, but I did want to show you. So I'm going to save my favorite for last. So in the past video where we talked about planning to pack, I showed you one of my outfit inspirations, Allison Bickerstaff, and a photo that she put up last Christmas. And this is the sweater that she had on with this little holiday Mickey. I love this. I'm excited to wear this all season long, but I'm really excited to wear it in Disney because I'm going to pair it with this blush pink midi skirt. I'm literally just copying her outfit. Like, these will go together with my little pink sparkly sneakers, and then potentially my rose gold mini ears with this. I mean, of course I could pair holiday Mickey ears when I get down there and I purchase them, but I also think this would be such a cute photo. So that is one outfit that will definitely be coming. And we're going to Star Wars Land for the first time. We're going to Galaxy's Edge. I'm really excited about it. Last year in New York City when I was at the Disney store, I bought this Porg sweater. And at the time, I was about 75 pounds heavier, so I would wear this with jeans and boots. But now I think I'm getting to the point where I could maybe even wear this with leggings, kind of like as a sweater dress. But for the purpose of the day that we'll be wearing this, I'm going to wear it with this incredible red crushed velvet polka dot tulle skirt. So same idea. I'm tucking a sweater into a skirt. I'm going to put sneaks on. This has like layers of black tulle underneath. I also think this would look really cute with my little Minnie Mouse t-shirt together. I'm bringing a couple of different t-shirts, including the Minnie Mouse one, just to cover my bases a little bit. But I think this will be super cute, either in the evening or during the day, because the Porg sweater is incredibly light. So there is a missing t-shirt from this bundle that is really near and dear to my heart right now, but that's coming, and there will be a separate video all about that. Hint, might have something to do with our upcoming subscription box, maybe. But I bought this red tulle, 100% tulle poofy skirt. And so I put this on, and Mark said, how are you going to get on and off of attractions in this? I think it'll be fine. It's the material, like, it's already not as wrinkly. It came in like this Ziploc bag. I am sure I can roll this and put this in the suitcase, no problem, and then just hang it up when I get there. But it's totally elastic on top. Are you seeing a trend here? Poofy themed midi skirt, cute top tucked in. Okay, so I do have some other items that I'll be bringing. I'm going to be bringing this pair of distressed light wash jeans. I really like the ankles on these. They're like cut off and distressed. I like these. And I'll be tucking in, if I even end up wearing this, a shirt that I have from Toddlers. I love to rent clothing. I think it's super practical, economical, and sustainable. So I am a Toddlers member. This video is not sponsored, although hit me up, Toddlers, if you're looking for a sponsor. But this is an off-the-shoulder blue and white just shirt that has these amazing ruffled detail sleeves, so they don't come all the way down. I love that. But I think this would be super cute tucked in with my little silver and white sneaks. And for the first time in forever, and I literally do mean that, I know, get to my heart frozen, but I'm bringing a romper, and I feel very excited in my heart about it. So I'm bringing this romper. It's just this little short combination. It's like this waffle shirt material. This may not ever end up being worn. This is a rental from Toddlers, as is this little kimono situation. But I saw it on a couple of the models and thought that it looked loose enough that I would be comfortable. I don't know if it's going to be flattering, so we'll just take that risk. And then the last shirt I'm bringing, or one of the last shirts, is of course my Best Day Ever shirt. I love this shirt. I know it's a little large on me right now, but I feel like it doesn't matter. I could tuck it in. I could wear it with a skirt. I just love this shirt. And I do think Days in Magic Kingdom really are the best days ever. Can't skimp on that. And there's one more thing. Let me grab them. They're awful and hideous. Let me get them. My sister is lending me these LuLaRoe Christmas tree leggings. Horrible. But, okay, so the reason I'm bringing these is that they're incredibly comfortable, and I feel like if I buy a light up sweater or whatever, I can just bring a white tee with these, and this could be like an extra day outfit. I realize I don't need an extra day outfit. I don't. And I do have a packing chart. I will link that blog post down below. It was in the planning to pack video too. I do pack an outfit chart, but because we're only going for so many days, all I'm really looking at is when are we going? What are we doing that day? What do I need? But I just like to bring backups in case. And quite honestly, I could wear these to bed if I really wanted to because they're so soft and snuggly. So thanks, Mal, for making the purchase of these Christmas tree LuLaRoes. Okay, let's get to packing. Here, and I'm writing down what I still need to pack so that way I have a better idea as I continue forth this week in my packing journey.